Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2014 GMC Terrain and I will show you how to remove and replace the engine air filter. This video will apply to GMC Terrains made from 2010 all the way up to 2017. Engine air filter is located just under this airbox cover, so to be able to access it you have to remove the cover. And you can start by removing a couple of Phillips screws. You will have one here, one down here, one here in this corner, and one in the opposite corner. So total of 4 screws. Okay, once you have these screws out, the cover will become completely loose, as you can see, and you can easily access the filter, which is just here. Now I will also add, in my case I don't have to completely remove the cover, but for some reason if your cover is quite tight and you can't access the filter, what you will do, you will just loosen up this screw right here. You don't have to completely remove it, and then you can completely slide this rubber hose off the cover and remove the cover. Also, if you have to, you can just disconnect the MAP sensor by pushing the security pin up and then just pulling it off, but most likely you will not have to do it, right, because you have more than enough space to remove the filter and install the new filter. Once you have removed the filter, it's also a very good idea to vacuum and clean inside of the air box and then just install the new filter and install back those side screws, and that's everything you have to do. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.